All right, so hopefully you notice we are dividing these. And so remember, these are the ones I call freeze. Oops, if I could spell freeze. Then change, flip. So the first one, freeze, leave it exactly the same. Change this to multiplying and then flip that second fraction. But before we actually do all that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor whatever I can factor. Hopefully you realize the 3x can't do anything to that. The x minus 2 cannot factor that. The top we can factor using that magic x. What multiplies to 2 but adds to 3? Well, that's easy. There's only one factor of 2, 1 and 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, but 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is going to be x plus 1 and x plus 2. And the bottom is a difference of 2 squares. Like I said before, you can still use the magic x, just the bottom is going to be 0. So what multiplies to 4 but adds to nothing? We know it's got to be 2 and 2. One's positive, one's negative. So this would be x plus 2 and x minus 2. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do our freeze. That means whatever this was, we're going to leave it exactly the same. 3x over x minus 2. We're going to now change that to multiplying. So instead of dividing, it's going to change to multiplying. And then this second one, the g of x, we're going to flip. So whatever was on top moves to the bottom. Whatever's on the bottom moves to the top. So I'm going to put x plus 2, x minus 2, because that's what was on the bottom. Now it goes to the top. And then on the bottom is going to be the x plus 1, x plus 2, because it was on top. Now it's on the bottom. Right, now what on top will cancel with the bottom, my favorite part. All right, well, I see x minus 2's cancel. The x plus 2's cancel. And so what is left? We have 3x on top. And the only thing on the bottom is the x plus 1. Yay! All right, so make sure you practice the problem. And I would highly recommend you write these in your notes so you can use them to reference later on.